Morning everyone. Today we are going to learn how to print hello world in the C++, sorry C. First of all, for writing hello world in our system using a C program, we have to write a hashtag that is called as preprocessor directive. Note it that it is called as preprocessor directive, and after the hashtag we will write include studio.h. Uh, Include is a keyword which is used to include the standard input output library in our program, so that we can take input from the user and get output. For when we come on the next line, we see that the next library, that is conio.h, which is used for holding the screen for a while. After that, we are using void main. It is a function. Void is return type of the function main. Main is the function which denote that from that point the program is getting started. When we are going to print hello world in our system using C or C++ program or any programming language, we use main function denote that is the beginning point of our program, and after that we will write print statement for printing hello world. Note that this is hashtag is called as preprocessor directive, and void is the return type of a program. Thank you.